Hello, students. Today I have taken the chapter The Snake and the Mirror from the book Beehive, written by an Indian writer in English, Vaikom Muhammad Bashir. He belonged to the state of Kerala. The Snake and the Mirror is based on the theme of vanity. Man is so proud of his physical beauty that at times he is often foolish and stupid in his attempt at estimating himself. The author is trying to explain through this lesson that it is important for us to live in a real world and not in one that is fictitious. The story is about a homeopathic doctor who is unmarried and handsome. He was himself a great admirer of beauty. He lived in a rented house which was an outhouse. It had 2 windows and a tiled roof. There was no electricity and the room was infested with rats. One hot Sunday night, he had his meals at a restaurant and returned home. He lit the kerosene lamp, took off his coat and shirt, and opened the windows. He settled on a chair and started to read a medical book. There was a large mirror on the table on which stood a lamp. As it was too hot to sleep, he sat in front of the mirror, admiring his looks, and smiled and planned to look more presentable. Gradually, his thoughts shifted from self admiration to planning his future marriage. He thought he would marry a rich doctor having a good practice. He would choose a fat lady as a wife so that she would not be able to run and catch him at times. He was so engrossed in his daydreaming that he did not give much importance to the sudden silence. The rats had stopped scampering. There was a sound of something falling behind him suddenly. He was slow to react. By the time he turned round to look, a snake had slid over the back of his chair, wriggled on to his shoulder, and coiled round his left arm above the elbow. It was a dangerous snake. Its hood spread out just 3 inches away from his face. The doctor sat there like a stone statue, not making any movement lest the snake strikes him. Suddenly, he realized the presence of God, started recalling God. It seemed as though God, in the form of a snake, had come to punish him for being proud and arrogant. He realized he was but a mere human, nothing to boast of. The moment he accepted his true worth, that he was just a simple human being, God appeared pleased, and the snake left his hold and sat on the table in front of the mirror. The title of this story is The Snake and the Mirror. The doctor then got up silently and sprinted. He ran very fast out of the door. Next morning, when he returned, to take his belongings, his things which were there left in that room, he noticed all his belongings were stolen as he had run away without as much as locking the door. And his door of his that rented room were open, and somebody burgled the whole house that night. And on this note, the story ends, and at the end of the story, the doctor laughed. And I want to quote, he said, I have never seen it since. It was a snake which was taken with its own beauty. He said that he had never seen such a beautiful snake ever after in his life. So beautiful story. Thank you. God bless you.